Hi, I'm Josh with Eva Trades, and today I want to welcome you to the new $100,000 challenge. Now, to make this challenge doable, I've increased my risk from $100 to $1,000. Now, this challenge will still take place in a simulator, but it's meant to show what is actually possible when trading in a larger account, which is what I plan to be doing very soon. So join me if you'd like, and let's learn together. So this is day one. Here we go. All right, so welcome to day one in the old simulator here with the new challenge. And that was pretty exciting to hit that $10,000 mark yesterday. And so starting anew with a $100,000 challenge, and I would like to do it sooner. I would like to complete it sooner than I did with the last one. So, okay, so looking at the gap scan here, same drill. We have STIM and SIDU, both with some pretty good volume. The floats aren't bad and the prices are pretty good. So I put those up there right here, trading below the VWAP on both of them. So, we've been consolidating for a bit, and that's okay. We'll see if they can make a move back up. Things aren't quite as awesome today as they looked yesterday, but that's fine. We'll see. We might get some momentum. So then off of the high of day momentum scanner was Shop. Shop isn't really a high moving low float stock, but it's about all I have to put up here. And I'm not even sure I can trade it because of my stop loss parameters might not allow me to do that. And then over here, I put AMC because that's also on the high of day momentum scanner. But again, my stop loss parameters, if we go down and take a look, and what I mean by this as I push play over here so we can get the time moving is, if you see down here, it says 30 cents is the minimum for my stop loss. So when I get into a trade, if I were to get into a trade on AMC, my stop loss would have to be 30 cents below my entry. It could not be any tighter than that because my share size would be too big. And so that being said, if I look back up here at the chart, and the average candle here in the 1 minute is around 5 cents. And so I would want my stop loss to be somewhere close to that, but 30 cents, that's a lot. So, I mean, I can trade it, but I can't expect to make a lot. That's the only downside. And it's the same with Shop. That's why I like the high momentum stocks, because I can make a lot of money. So let's see here. Some resistances is all we have. We do have a support right here. Okay. Not a whole lot to cover this morning, really. I don't believe this wick. I don't think that actually happened. If I look at the 1 minute, you can see it totally did not happen. Totally. I hear my scanner. Shop, AMC, STIM trying to turn around a little bit. I mean, it's an equilibrium. It's an hourly inside bar on STIM. It's just that we're doing it kind of down here mid-range at the 50% level from, about 50% of this overall candle. So which way is it going to go? I mean, it doesn't favor the bulls. It doesn't really favor the bears. I don't know. I guess the one thing we have going is that it's been consolidating. So you got this high of the move, the low of the pullback, a lower high. Looking to see if maybe this is the higher low right here, and then we go back up and break 452. So, and then make a run towards $5. Wouldn't be too bad. So keeping that in mind, maybe there's a trade there. Look at this on Shop. Got that hourly from yesterday, 34.20. We're over the top of that right now. Let's see what that looks like on the smaller time frames here. So yeah, holding that line at the moment. You got the VWAP there. I'm going to get rid of this pink line here. 2 minutes to go till the bell. I guess I'll set my stop loss parameter on shop at 59 cents. That's as low as I can go. I mean, 5-minute candles are close. And certainly the candle ranges will widen out a little bit once the bell rings. Most of the time that happens. Oh, I apologize. If you're reading the screen here at the bottom, live stream moved to Wednesday at the bottom of your screen there. Yeah, I'm not going to be live streaming this morning. I meant to say that at the beginning of this video, so hopefully anybody who was expecting the live stream will now know that it's not happening till Wednesday morning, tomorrow morning. So not this morning. I forgot that I had a prior engagement, so... One minute to the bell. STIM. Candle ranges are right around 5 to 9 cents. So that was a nice move up and consolidating now on STIM. Broke out over this level, kind of back testing the EMAs. Maybe we get an EMA cross right there. I like this 5-minute candle here, but we're coming up against the VWAP there. Breaking through now here on this support. Let me see, what was the low here? 34.01. Let's correct that bar. The low, we want it to be 34.01-ish. There we go. Okay. Looks a little better. Ooh, I like this. I can't take a trade in that first 1 minute, of course. And now trading larger share size, I have to really pay attention to the volume. Because getting in with large share size can make the price move. Not in the simulator, but I have to pretend this is real, of course. So I like the breakout here. Couple of stocks here I'm interested in on these two. I'm not really digging this one. That's quite a pullback there. Okay, what time is it? We got 10 seconds. I'm going to jump in it right there. Also going to jump in that one there. We'll see what we get. I got into a trade on AMC. I'm out, and I'm out, and I'm out. Okay, there we go. Let's take a look. AMC over here, as it pulled back to the VWAP, I jumped in it. But I was also over here, I was getting in these two trades at the same time. So I didn't want to switch over there. But so AMC is the big winner today. Just made me $1,166 on that one. Over here, I made $555 right here. And I made $111 here. So I am definitely at my daily goal. And then some. That was a nice bounce off the VWAP here, or not the VWAP, but that support. But I wasn't able to get in low enough to really make it count. So saying that I couldn't make enough on AMC to make it worth it, well, turns out it was worth it. I'm kind of watching. I want to see if we get a little momentum happening. And if we do, I might be willing to take another trade. I'm watching AMC over here. You see how it's coming down to that EMA? To this resistance to support right here, 1750. I'll buy that there. I'm looking for a quick bounce. If it doesn't give it to me quick, nope, I'm out. So I took a loss on it. I wanted to see it bounce right away, and I didn't want to take a big loss. So giving back a little bit, but not. I'm still way above my daily goals, so not worried about that. You got to be careful. You got to be careful on some of these. So I've got 555 plus 111. $555 plus 111. I know why my calculator's not working. There we go, $1,600. I probably could have done that in my head a lot faster. My goal is 1,000 and I made 1,600, so we'll see if this one here works or pays off. There we go, taking the profit right there. So that was, oh shoot, I'm sorry. Get you back over here. This one pulled back right here and I jumped in it and then I sold it as it came up to the VWAP. I didn't want to hold it. Not when it's below the VWAP like that. The VWAP is the target. Also this 450. We haven't closed above it on these two candles. So now sitting at $888 on that stock. So up over 1,800 bucks on the day. And things starting to pull back now a little bit. So that's going to do it for me. I am done right there. So not bad. First day back. I'm going to have to update the website and I'll put the P&L on there. I have to use my calculator to add up my P&L because Thinkorswim makes things fun for me. So I am up $1,965 on the first day of this challenge. I really would like to take a trade right here on Saidu. That looks pretty good. Let's watch it for a second. I'm not going to take a trade on it, but I want to watch it. I would jump in right there for the break through this level and a break through the high of day. And a move up towards 350. So I could have taken a little bit of profit there. Nice volume here. But I didn't like that that candle didn't close higher than that. So I'd probably be getting out right now just because I didn't like it. It didn't do what I thought it should do. Big pullback there on STIM. And that's another thing. You see these other stocks pulling back. It's like, well, okay, well, there it goes. That's not the look I was going for. I have a specific look that I look for. Okay. All right, up $1,900. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep your eyes on the charts, and I'll see you next time here at Eva Trades.